Hi, welcome to CATECH Tutorials. In this class we are going to draw front counterweights. Okay, let's select this plane. I think we have done this part previously, but small changes are there. So let's see what is such changes are. Okay, and then its radius is 23 mm. Okay, and here we need to draw a circle at this point, and its diameter is 15 mm, and its height from center of the circle to the axis, it is 15 mm. Okay, and draw a line, it is 13.7. Okay, and give a point with this, again consider this point, and here it is 13.7. Consider this line. Okay, here is closed loop. So select this victim, and there is this one. Exit the workbench and give the pad option. Here it is 5 mm thickness, several open controls. Okay, and 7. Here we have seen it is closed, but they saying it is open profile is there. So see here, this is the sketch analysis. It is useful to know where it is open and where it is closed. Okay, see here empty profile, these all are closed. The circle here it is open, at these 2 points it is open. Okay, so let's make it as closed one. Okay, here it is closed. So now this both ends are closed and profile is completely closed now. Now let's, oh no, again some problems are here. Right, yes, I think now it is closed. Here 5 mm thickness. Okay, answer this profile. Here we required 12 mm diameter. So before that, if we make this as projection line, then it is easier to draw a circle. Okay, its diameter is 12 mm. See, now it is constrained. If I delete this line, again the constraint will lose, because this circle is connected with this projected line as a concentrate constraint. Okay, so here now I am making this line as construction line. When we make construction line, then it doesn't affect in our 3D model to project. So here I am giving 1 mm. Right, so again now I want a hole. Here its diameter is 8 mm. Preview. Okay, right, here another one more hole I required. Here also same diameter 8 and its depth is 10 mm. Okay, now we require corner. We know we done previously, it is 2 mm. Okay, this is a model, this is the part we have done. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching CATECH Tutorials. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, share the video.